my country is under attack based on lies, based on flat lies that Iran was imposing imminent threat and these sort of things. You have to know that. A week ago, we were in Geneva with the mediation of Foreign Minister of Oman and with the presence of Mr. Grossi, head of the International Atomic Energy Agency. We nailed down a practical agreement in which that Foreign Minister of Oman said that the agreement is at reach and everything is ready. We actually identified Monday to go to Vienna and just write down everything. We left the room. The American, negotiator said that very promising. Thank you very much. We are going to hand over our written proposal on Monday. And then we left the room. We arrived in Tehran, and they started aggression against us. This is a TV reality show. They invite you to have diplomacy in place while they are making military build-up, and there is no actual understanding of why they started this. If you ask me why they started this, it is because of the power politics and because of the greater Israel and because of the Prime Minister of the regime of Israel, that they would like to seek greater Israel, and they think that is a once-a-century opportunity for them to just exercise edge over other countries and impose their hegemony over other countries to change the Middle East forever. American has decided to put an end to the existence of Iran. Israelis have been promising this for many decades because of their delusion about greater Israel. And this is our response. We have no option just to put an end to the presence of United States in the surrounding area of Iran. We told Americans and we told our neighbors that if they would like to put an end to the existence of the greatest civilization on earth or the oldest continuous civilization on earth, then we have no option just to put an end to the existence and presence of United States in the Persian Gulf area. They do have multiple military bases, equipment, assets targeting us. Long-range raiders, the command and control centers, the 5th fleet of United States just few miles away from our coastal courts in Bahrain, in which 75% of all U.S. Marine activities happening there, all of them targeting Iran.